The discount code for 20% off all items ends today, March 16th. Some of the deals you can get include the Stream Deck Mark II Black with a free faceplate. The regular price is usually $149.99, but you can get it on sale for $114.99. Another version for you Call of Duty lovers out there is the Stream Deck Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Edition. That regular price for that is also $149, but you can also get that on sale for $114.99. Then moving on to the Stream Deck Plus, black and white, coming with free diodes. You can get it on sale for $149.99, with the regular price usually being $199.99. So, like I said, if I was you, I wouldn't miss out on these deals, you feel me? And make sure to use my link in the description. Using my link directly supports me as a creator, and at this time, I'm trying to get to Spain, continue my studies, an intensive language study. So anything helps. I appreciate it. So yeah, let's get into this setup. We're going to take this, attach it to the back of this. Let's get the camera. You don't want to tighten it too tight. You want to push this into the mold of the prompter. Right here. Make sure you're not tightening these fully. You should be able to slide. Both of these should be able to slide. Okay. Now you're just going to slide the face cam into the mold here. It should sit inside of there. Once it's in place, you can secure everything in place. Now we have the face cam situated inside the prompter. Also comes with cold shoe mounts, which are these things at the top, so you can attach different things to it, like the key light or other things you'd like. So yeah, I placed the prompter here. This is probably gonna move later on because I want to have it somewhere that's, of course, level. And I am using the camera mount. It's probably not safe, but I I'm all for testing things out, so we'll determine. Yo, my cable management is shoddy, but it's okay. Now it's plugged in, and now we download the software. Let's do that real quick. Camera hub is necessary for display link drivers as well as software features for the prompter, featuring the free teleprompting software and the free Twitch chat reading software. See, this is why we read the manual. This is why we read the manual. All right. Now you're at the prompter. You're at the camera hub. Let's take a look. So here you can type in all of your things for the prompter. So you can see, ready to roll the camera. That is what is indicated right here at the top of the screen. We're gonna switch back so you can see. That is what you will be reading. So you can hit play. This is already preloaded. It's now scrolling on the screen, as you can see here. You can control the speed, the size, the text, everything. On the left here, speed it up a little. Speed it up right here. This is in Spanish, of course, but velocity of, you know. All right, so the prompter, we got that set up. Now we can go back to OBS. See what's going on over here. As you can see, the camera is up higher because I had to, that's where I set it up. But now we can just get started and read what's on the screen, and we're looking directly at the screen. So standing up, this is what it looks like. You can even adjust opacity to blend text into other background content. Keep experimenting until you find the perfect mix of style and readability. When you're done formatting, test out prompter's controls. Adjust scroll speed to match your speaking pace, skip ahead, or jump back a few chapters. Pause between chapters or scroll seamlessly. Professional! Even better, if you got a Stream Deck, you can even control prompter with a key press, a dial turn, or a tap of your foot. So, that was my setup video. I'm going to fine tune this a little bit more, just so it fits more into my setup. I was just getting it set up so I could see how to learn how to use it, and we'll go from there. I'm gonna probably end up redoing a lot of this just because I want to have different things in different places. Plus my cable management is very bad. But you know, anyway, thank you for tuning in. Like I said, it's Elgato week. Elgato week ends tomorrow. Your last chance to get 20% off of all items featured this week, including the prompter. And for sure, make sure you grab yourself a Stream Deck, you know, the Key Light Mini, anything you, listen, if you need it, Elgato got it. Oh my God, don't miss out on these deals, y'all. I mean, you could wait until Black Friday again, but that's all the way at the end of the year. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you are interested in purchasing any of Elgato's products during Elgato week, please consider using my link. It directly supports me as a creator, and I would greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate it. Any and all help that will help me fund these classes for my study abroad trip. So thank you so much in advance, and I hope you had fun watching. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe.